Your phone hanging? One setting fixes it instantly. Open dialer. Type asterisk hashtag 9900 hashtag. Tap delete dump state /logcat. Uninstall apps you don't use. They run in background and slow your phone. Go to settings, search background process limit. Set to no background processes. Settings developer options, set window animation scale to OFF. Phone is lightning fast now. Follow Tap 2 Fixer for daily mobile fixes.